ready for you now. You got 2 minutes.
Good morning, welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video I am tackling my disgusting refrigerator. I haven't touched it in about 2 weeks since I had been sick. I don't really stay on top of my refrigerator like I should. I really don't. But I need to. Some pork chops got stuck in the fridge. My daughter put in there and didn't put a plate up under it, so it bled down into that drawer. So just getting it tackled, and oh, it was so bad. It's kind of embarrassing, but I just wanted to show you guys the real life mess, because even though I have a cleaning channel and I do all this cleaning, there's still stuff that just kind of gets put on the back burner. And the refrigerator is one. I had actually originally planned on cleaning and organizing my pantry, but my husband was looking for something and he organized it for me. So I was gonna do that, but it's fine. The refrigerator needed cleaning, so we are just getting into this.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know.
So we're going to skip forward, and the refrigerator is going to be all cleaned out, and then we're going to start cleaning all these shelves. I don't think you guys want to watch me pull every single thing out. Okay, so I'm tossing a sponge in there. My tub is clean. I scrubbed it, bleached it really well, but I'm putting some Dawn dish soap and scalding hot water, and then I can pull everything out of the fridge, all of the drawers and the tape, the shelves. Sorry, the dogs are playing, but I can pull all that out, put that in, and it will loosen it all up and just come clean, super clean, real fast. I'm going to start by getting all of these removed out of the door so I can get them cleaned, and by filling the tub up with scalding hot water and Dawn dish soap. It just got everything cleaned. It just broke everything up because there was stuff spilt in there and just stuff stuck on everything. So by doing that, it just came off so much easier, and I didn't have to spray the inside of the refrigerator with all of the cleaning products. So this is just one of my favorite ways to get all of the shelves and everything in my refrigerator cleaned.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that.
So this is the inside of my fridge. It is so embarrassing. It is disgusting. Things have been spilled and just not wiped up. So it's awful. The doors are not that bad at all. So my fridge got pretty bad. Like I said in the last video, I've actually been sick for a few weeks. So this video goes up on Tuesday, and I am filming this on Friday. I'm trying to get it done, but my daughter has actually been helping me. I'm not. She doesn't want to be on camera. But she's been helping me. She's been drying all of the drawers and everything for me, so I can just get this done. So we're gonna So I'm going to go in with my Lysol disinfectant. I'm going to spray the inside of my fridge down, and then I just let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes so it can actually work and disinfect and sanitize. And then I just went in with a Scrub Daddy sponge and just scrubbed everything out really well. And then I will go in with a wash rag and just wipe it all out and rinse the rag a few times. I've rinsed the sponge a few times as well. And then just go in with the rag and wipe it all out. I just can't believe how bad my refrigerator got, especially the bottom. The last time I cleaned my fridge, I don't think I removed the very bottom rack. I just kind of wiped everything out. So I need to make sure that part gets removed more often when I am cleaning the refrigerator.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up.
So now it is time to get this refrigerator put back together and get everything put back in it.
And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
So I started to put the cheese and ham in this container so I can put it in the fridge, but I just didn't really care for the way it looked. I didn't like it. So I just took everything out and just stuck it in the bottom of the fridge. And I got tons of cucumbers from the garden. And I know y'all seen the empty tea jug. One of my kids, oh my gosh, they kill me. Instead of drinking the last bit of tea and making more, they will legit just leave like a drink in the bottom of the tea jug and then just stick it back in the fridge. Oh my god, that drives me crazy. But I am trying to get myself back on track and getting everything done. But this past week has just been absolutely insane. Going back to school just kind of snuck up on me, and didn't realize our kids go back August 7th. So I had to go and buy school clothes, which our kids wear uniforms at their school. But I had to go buy school uniforms, socks, shoes, the whole works. So yeah, everything has just been super crazy and busy around here. So are you guys ready for your kids to go back to school? Because I am. I am ready for them to go back. They argue all the time from sun up to sundown. So, and also I don't have a lot of organizing bins for the refrigerator. I don't have toddlers. I have teenagers, so I don't have like Lunchables and little snacks just sitting in the fridge. So, yeah. So this is what it's looking like right now. Those are some leftovers. That needs to go to the chickens. But that was from last night, the burger. And I need to get some more waters for in here. We've got juice, Sprites, our Friday evenings little drink. But this side of the door is done, and there's still a room over here for stuff. But my refrigerator looks so much better. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And like I said earlier, I am trying to get back on track and get more videos filmed. So I've got tons of cleaning motivation coming out this way. I just wanted to get a video up this week for you guys. So it's just a short refrigerator cleaning motivation video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.